In this video, I will show you how to sign up for the Temu affiliate program. First, open your web browser and here search for Temu affiliate program. Click on this link associated with the team's official website. Once there, look for a sign up or join now button and click on it. You will be prompted to fill out a registration form with your details, such as your name, email address, and payment preferences. Make sure to read and agree to the terms and conditions of the affiliate program. After submitting the form, you may need to wait for approval from the Temu team. Once approved, you will receive access to your affiliate dashboard, where you can generate affiliate links, track your earnings, and access marketing materials to promote Temu products. Start sharing your affiliate links with your audience through various channels like social media, email newsletters, or your website and earn commissions for every sale made through your unique affiliate link. Check out the link given in the description to create your account on Temu. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.